Federation of Kenya Employers says it is in talks with the Ministry of Housing, exploring how the affordable housing plan can be financed without imposing a levy on the employers or increasing the cost of doing business on the employers. FKE says workers should have a say in the type of houses they would like and whether they would like to buy or rent them, tasking the government to conduct intensive public participation. FKE has in the past strongly opposed the government's directive to deduct 1.5% of employees' salaries as housing levy.
Initially, when the idea came out, we actually did not know what the specific plan was. We have since had a meeting with the PS in charge of housing, and he's explained to us the idea behind the plan. The challenge is still on the costs to the employer and how we can meet the aspirations of government and support the noble idea of affordable housing without increasing the costs of doing business. I think that at the end of the day is the issue.